Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making Jamaica's national dish, which is ackee and saltfish. So saltfish is salted cod that is preserved, and then the ackee is actually a plant originally from West Africa that was brought over. So the two together with some sweet peppers, onions, garlic, scotch bonnet are absolutely delicious. So here we go. To start with, we want to cook our saltfish and remove any excess salt. So just going to put it in a pan here with some water, put your lid on and bring it up to a boil. Should only have to do this once, and once it's boiled up, remove it from the heat and drain it, and just rinse off, drain it and just add it into a bowl. Now we just want to flake it up lightly so there's no big chunk, but it will break up naturally as we mix it with everything else. So just set that aside. Next we just want to chop up our onions and peppers and so on. A rough chop is fine, it doesn't have to be neat. And then these are ready to cook. So in the pan here, just going to add some oil, and we're going to start with our spring onions. Then we want to add our peppers, then the garlic and the scotch bonnet. Mix all that together, and you just want to cook them until they're a little bit soft, not too much. Next I'm just going to add in a little bit of chopped tomatoes as well, and then mix that in. Now we can add the saltfish, so drop that in the pan and then just mix that through. The last thing we need to add is our ackee. So these have been drained, so just pour those into the pan and mix it through. And once the ackee has heated in the pan with all the ingredients, it's done. This is ready to serve now. So we're just going to plate this up really easy, just as it is, and you can have this with so many different things. I'm serving it with fried plantain here, but you can put it with breadfruit, fried dumpling. I've got a recipe above for that. Whatever you like, really. It's so simple and it's absolutely delicious. So there we go guys, that is my recipe for ackee and saltfish. I hope you enjoyed. Until the next time, peace and love.